hello. I am in Roblox right now with Dylan Potato. You're super quiet on Skype right now. Okay.
I need to start my video now. I'll tell you when it started.
Oh, okay. And we are playing Aeroplane.
Okay.
The
Yeah. So,
story.
okay. Well, I just started my video, but hello. I'm gonna be playing. What do you call it? Wait, what was it? Oh yeah, Airplane with Paxonic Speed. I'll leave a link to a channel in the description again, like always. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna be playing. Yeah. And for in the next few days, we're also gonna make, because there's 4 airplanes. There's Airplane 1, Airplane 2, Airplane 3, Airplane 4, and we're gonna make videos about every single one, and we're gonna try to win.
We're making
And
a
yeah.
series.
Oh, yeah, and also my channel, half of my screen is Paxonic's screen, and then the other half is my screen. The screen that I'm moving on right now is mine. This one. But yeah, and then this screen is Pack. But yeah. Okay, well, this one just teleported, so we just need to wait for them to leave, and then we can join this one. What about a bit? I don't know.
Let's go. We're sitting next to each other.
Yeah.
The boys.
Bro, the way that random kid just appeared and just like, what's up, dude?
Yay.
Why do I even have this face equipped?
You're not even looking at anything. You're just
I've just got my eyes closed the whole time, like I'm sleeping.
You're
like-
sleepwalking.
Just having a nice nap while the fudging people are dying.
Ooh, J5.
Oh yeah, guys, by the way, you might find this content scary, so you might want to click off, but it's I get how it can be scary, but we aren't that scared of it. Like,
Yeah.
like if you hear me screaming, it's a fake scream, and I'll say if it's real or not. I got J9. Where the hell is J?
I got J5. I got J5 right here.
Hey. Oh,
Wait.
I'm gonna be 4 behind you. Sad.
I'm just looking at you.
Why do I still have my hand up, bro? Okay, there we go. Down. We're flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea
Zoom
level.
out the window. You can see the side.
Oh
of the
my
plane.
god.
They're
Hey,
very
there's
blurry
two of
inside.
me. Yeah, true. At an angle, you can see 2 of your face, and it looks weird. When you scroll outside, you can see 2 of your face. It's like a mirror.
Oh yeah. Me.
It's me, and then it's me again, and I got 2 Adidas logos.
Don't. God, don't.
Feel free to explore.
No,
Now,
please, I just.
bruh, he just said feel free to explore. 2 seconds later, he says, sit down. Right now!
Ooh, J5. This is J seat.
I got
J9. Oh. J5. More like J6.
Oh my god, my booty's shaking.
Yeah.
Oh, that hurts.
High turbulence went through my body.
Thank you for your cooperation. 2 seconds later, you see somebody flying out of their seat, smacking their head against the top. Thank you for your cooperation. Yeah. Remember, don't eat the sandwich because it's poisonous. We're also, it's kind of a tutorial as well because we're letting you know what not to do. Do not eat the sandwich.
Wait,
Wait,
but
Eli?
I want to be the person that's like, oh, I'm allergic to mayo.
Okay,
Can I do
fine.
that?
Let's both do it. It's gonna be funny. Let's both do it.
Eat.
Oh yeah, Pack, by the way, let's both try to get the co-pilot and press a yes to see what happens. I
Yeah.
really want to see, because we got the badge, because yeah, we did a game before, just like or make sure there wasn't anything like bad, but yeah, we also forgot to record. And, well, we didn't even think of recording yet, but, oh, it's that guy, dang it. Yeah, I might not even bother fun. Actually, no, I'm just gonna. It's so annoying because there's so many, like, places. Oh, I found it. Yeah, boy. And mate, that was a close one. Yeah, and can you give me my fudging thank you now, please? So,
No.
good afternoon to all Paxtail me. And
Well,
calling
you
me
already said
reach a
that.
safe unstable altitude, unstable. On, they should have said astable instead of unstable.
Yeah.
I want him to be on the side of our window. I hope he's on the side of our window. Jeez,
I'm not stretching my legs. My legs are already
I don't want to
stretched.
stretch my legs, so you can shut up, you fat
Let's look
man.
at the window.
Got a fat
I love
moustache.
this plane because there's no monsters going on the wings.
Yep, totally. Watch it appear on our side, and you're gonna be the closest to him.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, he's on that side again. Dang it. Oh, it appears that we've lost. Gee,
Oh my
Energy?
god. It's so
What do you mean energy?
beautiful.
he said we lost energy. That's fine. At least the plane works.
It's so beautiful. Marry
Run.
me.
Will you marry? Remember, no, sit down in your chair. Remember, the snakes can't kill you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo,
Not
but not.
survive.
Guys, it's a glitch because if
I
you
know
just sit
it's
down
not.
in your chair, like the snakes will just go underneath your chair. Look, he's just sitting there and he's not killing me.
Hello,
If he was, I could
Luigi.
see my health going down. Look at him. He's so dumb. Just stand. They're both dumb.
I've got swords
Look at him.
on my back. Why can't I just use them?
Yeah, true.
There's one guy that's playing
Just go.
peekaboo with me.
Peekaboo. 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 Guys. Alright. Well, I was safe on my chair. Thank you very much. Gee. It's the right left, right left, right left, right left. Hurry up, right left, right left, right left. Hurry up, right left.
I
Oh.
got hit once.
Okay, now I need to take a poo poo.
No, I'm taking a poo poo. Why are you so mean to me? Now I'm gonna poop in the sink.
I need my poop to come out. It's not coming out, boy.
Now it wasn't scary. Why am I talking this crap? Okay. I'm gonna do it, bro. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, we're scared. We should discuss what the heck is happening.
Yeah, I got big words, even though they're not even big. Big words. How much was this plane?
Oh yeah, YouTube, by the way. So the first episode that we're doing right now, which is Airplane 1, it's gonna be Pack's screen on my right and my screen as well, and then in the second it's gonna be my screen on Pack's, and then third's gonna be Pack's on mine, and then fourth is gonna be mine on Pack's again, and then
Why, oh my god, get our bags and let's
let's
leave. Mr. Sagri.
That's not your bags. Where are
Give
my
me
bags?
my
I didn't find it. Until you find your bags.
Wait, my bag. My bag should be over
And Lala. I found Mr. Lala's bags
No.
again.
here. Where's mine? Find my bag.
Well, yeah, we have no fudging cat, mate. Obviously, the power's back up. We can see lights, mate. Jeez. Hey, I found mine. Eli. Next to some rando. We're next to Airy IG. You got a brown one. Give me.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I don't have one.
I'm
Okay.
breathing fine.
No,
What's
don't,
happening? Oh.
sorry. That is so dumb though. Why?
Hello.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna, yeah.
Hello.
This sucks. Bro, why do they have to do that though? They kill over half of the lobby in the matter of 2 seconds, bro. We've got like 5 seconds to grab it. It's so dumb. What is what? Yeah, and it's in someone's stomach.
Why don't you just throw it out the window?
No, because it's attached inside of someone's stomach.
Oh.
It's inside of someone's
I
stomach.
found the stupid scissors.
Remember, it's cutting the blue cord. The blue cord. The blue thing. Blue. Oh wait, I just realized we should have chose red to see what happens. What do you mean? What do you mean? Wait, you did it. The way I punch you in the fudgy face, I punch you harder in the. Go to the captain's deck. Oh yeah, they're sleeping. Look at them.
Hello. Oh,
Go
they're
check up.
unconscious.
No, go to the captain. Hurry up. Wait, remember, when you go to the very back of the plane, get ready to run all the way to the captain's deck because you need to get co-pilot, and please press yes. I want to see what happens. No, go back. What are you doing? Go back.
I couldn't find the code. I think
Oh yeah.
it could be over here. Yep, it's right here. Found the code.
3873. My bad. 3873. Ooh. Yeah, waka waka waka.
Hello.
Shambalambum, ma bum bum. Cookies is very good. Shambalambum, waka waka. People watching my YouTube. By the way, this is Pap's screen, not mine. By the way, because I died and I'm sad. You think you're here on accident, but you're not. Yeah, we are. We bought a fudging ticket. No, you didn't. I bought the plane ticket.
Look at this sleepy boy.
Okay.
Hello, Captain.
Well, when the guy starts teleporting and you find the autopilot button, run to the back as fast as you can so you can get the emergency. Oh no.
Sorry if there's any background noise.
The way that I punch you in the face. Spam every button, hurry. Well, get ready to. Yeah, spam the ones on that deck, because that's where I found the autopilot button. There's a chance it can be in the same place, but it probably won't be. But you can still try and check. The way I like to punch in the face.
Yes.
Oh no, it's not the same. Dang it. You've got 50 seconds to find it and you have to find it.
Get it.
If you don't find it, it means you're... Oh. odds of it being the one button? That one button right there. We saved the plane. Not yet, mate. How you gonna get down, boy? How you gonna land, boy? This ain't a Tesla. Alright, now get ready to call. We'll just walk onto and click the
Guys, be
Oh,
quiet.
hi. Well, we're sort of recording our YouTube video.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's fine. You can stay if you want.
Just mute my mic.
Okay.
Wait,
It's
are
been-
you doing like a roleplay thing? Because if you
No,
are,
we're playing the airplane thing. So, me and Pac, we're going to we're gonna do a video for the next few days. And we're gonna do airplane 1 to 4.
oh, can I join with you guys?
Yeah.
I see.
Okay, get ready to run, and you have to get in the co-pilot. And when the monster appears, you have to say yes, please. And don't try to speed run to click it. Just click it when you see it and you know.
I just gotta say, in the second wait, are you still recording?
Yeah. But you can talk.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes.
About the second one, the second airplane 2.
Alright, get ready to say yes. You don't need to be quick with it, just yeah. People are gonna get so mad at you when you say yes. They're gonna be screaming say no, say no. That person just got lifted up and he teleported there.
Wait, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna look. I can't see it yet.
My
Okay.
excuse is gonna be I can't read.
No, only type that after.
I'm just gonna say I'm just gonna say it's opposite day, isn't it?
Well,
So
there are-
say yes and then say that.
Fastest plane in the world. Oh.
Yeah! Yes, let's do it, but say yes, yes!
Oh yes. This has to be done.
And they're screaming, no, say no!
although my dad said to not go on the computer.
That's not how you spell it.
Yeah, whatever, just
It's opposite day.
it's over here.
YouTube.
Yes, master.
It's opposite
Over
day.
here. Mwahaha. Ha 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 ha. Yes, what? Hooray! Yippee!
Victory?
Yes. I think yes.
I think not.
You don't get a badge, are you kidding me? Oh, that's dumb. Oh.
Yay! The plane is dead.
Okay, it's been going on for nearly 19 minutes now. I think we should end it now.
Okay,
Okay, well, guys, probably tomorrow. Well, if we can tomorrow, we might make the airplane 2 one.
After school.
yes. Okay.
You know why I
I'm gonna
did the
leave it
blue
there
wire?
and
You know why I
I
did the
hope
blue
you
wire?
enjoyed.
Because
See you